Manchester International Airport.
Yeah man, welcome to another video on the channel where we try to keep you informed and updated on the aviation scene, especially in our island home Jamaica. So this one is about the Ian Fleming Airport, which is now declared an international airport. So all the necessities has been put in place for it to be an international airport. So Inter-Caribbean Airline made an appearance on Thursday, which have been the 16th of June 2022, and it's the first commercial flight that has landed at the airport. So the airport is the same one we mentioned in a previous video, where an American airline is scheduled to start operating there in November of 2022. So very exciting times for Jamaica's aviation, as this airport, which is located in the St. Mary region, it is the smaller of the three airports, but it is very important in the sense that it will service that area. So you now have direct flights coming into that airport, and especially for the persons who are island hopping, like for instance Turks and Caicos has a very high population of Jamaican workers. As you know, Sandals operates one of the larger resorts there and hence offers the most employment on that island. So there is Jamaican, especially from the north coast, always heading to those islands. So this airport will play a positive role in that instant. So thanks again for watching, and I'm Stewie, keeping you updated on what's happening in the aviation scene, especially in our island home Jamaica. Much respect man, love every time.